welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited. I received some surprise Christmas mail from Diane. Diane is a sweet subscriber of mine. She's been a longtime supporter and I absolutely love her. She is so sweet to me. She's always been so sweet to me. She's been so kind. She's purchased a lot of my TNs and she's sent me Christmas cards, and I even have some ornaments that she sent me on my Christmas tree. And so to receive this is so sweet of her. So Diane, thank you so much. She said I can open it early, so that's what I'm gonna do because I have no patience and I want to wait and I want to see what's inside. So here we have the box that she sent me, so I'm just gonna go ahead and open it up. It's one of those priority boxes that has that really strong adhesive, so it's going to end up taking all my might to open it up. And I'm just going to tear it up like a real Christmas present and see what's inside. Oh, and she wrapped it. Oh my goodness, she wrapped it like a real Christmas. Oh my goodness. Now I want to put it under my tree. Oh, it ripped a little bit. Oh, you guys, do you see this? Oh my goodness, look at how beautiful this is. Okay, I gotta take a quick picture. Give me 1 second. Oh my goodness, you guys, do you see this? How beautiful. The bows are so cute. There's even a card attached to it. I'm just gonna go ahead and go for it. Diane, thank you so much. This is so sweet. Oh, I love it. All right, let's see what it says. It says Mary. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. And then it says, wishing you a Christmas that's merry and bright and a happy new year, Diane. Oh, thank you so much. That's so pretty. This is gonna go with all my other cards. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and open it up really quick. Okay, it's a picture frame. Oh no, it broke. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna have to hot glue it. Oh my god, I'm gonna have to. Oh, it broke. Oh, it's okay. Look at what she sent me. This is beautiful. I'm gonna buy a new frame for it. No worries. Look at how cute this is. It says Farm Fresh Christmas Trees. I'm gonna buy a new frame for it and I'm gonna go ahead and put it in my planner area. Look at how pretty this is. Diane, thank you so much. I'm so sorry it broke. I don't know if I broke it or if it like broke on its own, or wow, it completely fell apart. I should have been more careful. Oh my goodness, I'm so sorry. I love it though. This is amazing. I love all the Farm Fresh Christmas trees. Oh, it's so perfect for my Christmas decor and I can use it every year and pull it out, and I love it so much. So thank you, Diane. I truly appreciate it. Love you lots. So quick update. I originally finished filming the video and then I was like, you know what? No, I'm gonna fix this. And I did. Oh my goodness, thank goodness for E6000. I was like, after I started putting the pieces together, I was like, I think I could put it back together. So I'm going to attempt, and I did, and I put the E6000 on all the sides, including that tiny little piece that broke off at the very top. So now it looks as good as new. I'm just gonna let it finish drying before I could put the frame back in, and it'll still be the original frame that Diane sent me, which I love and I will hold on to and cherish for a really long time. But I'm so happy I was able to save it. Oh my goodness, I was having a panic attack. I'm like, see, Ali, that's what happens for getting too excited and opening your present so fast. You literally broke it. Oh my gosh. Diane, I'm so sorry. I feel so bad. But I fixed it, which is the good thing. Yay, I fixed it. I'm so excited. And there we have it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, you know what to do. Give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.